Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine Open World tutorial series. So in this episode I am going to create this staircase which allow my character to access this top side of the mountain to go to this shrine. So I'm going to create this in a procedural way. I'm not going to place them by hand, so yeah, this is what I'm going to cover today. So my character can walk up to the shrine without any issue, like this. Yeah, this is what I'm going to cover today. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Now that we have developed this way to place cliffs, I will place cliffs in this side. What are these? I think I placed them by hand. Yeah, so I will place cliff in this side, here and here, but I don't think there is a point showing it in the screen because I don't have anything else to explain. So now I want to have something, a staircase here that leads to this platform. So for that also I wish to use the procedural to object, right? Wait, what happened? Okay, just a loading thing. Okay, so I'll place this object there. Here. And here. I think this curve is too steep. This slope is too steep, so I need to slow it down. But first let me work on this spline and place some staircase. Then to match that, let's modify the ground. Will that work? I'm not sure, but let's see anyway. Okay, so now we have staircase models like this. I think I'll use this one. I need to keep it vertical. And yeah, it looks like we need to add a rotation offset around the z axis, minus 90 degrees. Okay, better. Now let's adjust the distance. It should be less than 500. Okay, this seems alright, but it doesn't really match. The slope doesn't really match, so I think I have to move this up to match the actual slope of the staircase. Right, now it's alright. Okay, what about this part? This part also we need to match like this. Okay, that's better now. Right, now all we have to do is yeah, now let's try to match the landscape to this. So how can I do that? Okay, let's go to landscape mode and here's the edit spline. Here. Okay, now let's move each part to match the height of the staircase. Like this. Can we add another point here? Okay. Press Ctrl and click. Wait, why can't I select them? For some reason I can't select them anymore. Okay, I have to press WOE. Alright. Can we lift this part? Now let's add another point and use W and lift it to match the staircase like this. Will that be alright? Okay, anyway, now let me select this one, and this one. Oh wait, and this one, and this section, and here, and yeah, layer name is root. I'll change this to none for now, and because I don't want to change any texture material paintings, then I'll use this deform landscape to spline only selected. Alright, now it is lifted, but it doesn't look very good though. Yeah. Okay, let's add another point here and move it to match this staircase, and another point here, move it. Oh no, select this one, click. Okay, now I'll select them again, and deform. Okay, if I kept doing that, it becomes more smooth. Yeah, I think I can increase the width of this control points here, here. Let's select this and increase the width to 200 is enough. No, let's try 300 and increase the side fall off to 400. And let's select these parts again and deform the landscape to match. Right, now it matches properly. Still we have a problem here. But we will fix it manually. Okay. Now I'll go to the normal mode. Right. I'll duplicate this one. No. I'll delete this one and add a new one. Okay, and for the mesh, I'll add this. Right, now that's how it looks. So I'll rotate it around which axis? Not X, so that means Y. Cool. Now I'll move it in the Z axis, minus 50, minus 100, minus 150. Is that too much? Do we have a gap here? Yeah. So maybe minus 140. Okay, now I need to stretch it. Wait, am I seeing the parts of that? No. Yes. So, but this side is completely flat. Yeah, so I think I should rotate it around Z, maybe. No. X. No. Okay, let's rotation offset, let's make it plus 90. So it, oh no, let's make it minus 90 then. Right, now it's okay, and we have to reduce this, maybe 50. No, 0. Yeah, 0 is, that's the best value. Okay, and what else? Okay, we need to fill the gaps, so I'll reduce distance to okay, now it fits perfectly. Right, now I need to stretch it in sideways so that it will fill both sides from this end and that end. So to do that I have to scale it. Oh, I can't scale in individual axis. Why didn't I think about that? Right, anyway, I'll scale the whole thing there. But if I set it 3, now we can figure out this easily if I place one of these manually here and rotate and stretch. This is just to identify what is the scale I should give it. It's in y direction, 2.125. okay, 2.125. I'll delete it now. 2.125, 2.125. right, and I need to give it a offset in, yeah, y direction. Maybe I should increase this to 0.3. Is it too much? No. Good. Yeah, let's fill the gap now. Alright, what about the other side? Okay, now shall we see if I can work on this? Well, I can. I need to fix at this point. Okay. Now let's add some railings. Which one would be better? This type or simple type? I think simple type is better. Okay, we need to rotate that also around, is it 90 degrees? Cool. And need to give an offset to match. Alright. What's the scale of this thing compared to the player? It's not too big, right? Yeah. And now we have to adjust this too. I'll do that in a moment. The distance, let's set it. I think we have some overlaps. Okay, it's better now. Okay, now I'll duplicate this and move to the other side as well. Like this. Collapse it, duplicate, and change the offset. Like this. Very simple. What else we should add? Shall we add some pillars in the sides? Yeah, why not? Maybe which one? Well, or even we could add this. Um, Lights too, but I think for now pillar is enough. Let's go with, no, this is not good. This one. And I'll make this one, I'll keep vertical because otherwise it looks unrealistic. That doesn't perfectly fit, so let's move it down. And this maybe 400. Okay, it looks better from distance. And duplicate that line. Move here. Okay, now all we have to do is fix in here. First let me save, and then I'll go to this procedural editor. Right, got it. Select this, start editing. Okay, now what I can do about this? Okay, let's select this and make it horizontal. Is it horizontal now? Let's see. Yeah. Now this is just a reference, so I'll move it to the level, this level. No. Let's move it back. I don't need this one. Okay, now how to fix it here? No, No, maybe we should let me no maybe we should fix this up to some point with the spline and then fix it to the final touches. Will this work? Okay, let's see. Now let's enable wait. Oh, I have some redundant objects. I need to reload the level without saving. Oh no, no, I don't have them. That's fine. Okay, now I'll move this one back and this one also. Don't edit. I'll fine tune it later. Oh, I can easily do that here. So how to match this? Okay. Oh wait, I need to keep that. All right. Now what about this part? Let's move it down. And lift this slightly. Okay, now I should be able to walk. Oh, again I have to fix this part, but that's alright here now. It looks a little ugly now, let's fix that. Maybe I'll use it here. For this side. Okay, let's finish editing and see if I can walk here without any issue. Yeah, no issue there. Oh, we need to fix this pillar here. Let's go back to edit mode and move this one maybe here. Alright, so now this is our staircase to the top of the mountain. Oh, but we need to fix here too. Right, maybe yeah, I'll just add some floor block. Yeah, what about this one? Let's see. Okay, that seems alright. Right, so this is only for now. Just to wrap up this part. So alright, so this is the final result. To the top of the mountain. And yeah, I'll stop this episode at this point. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And yeah, if you have the membership of the Patreon club, you can freely access all the project files, all the releases that I have done up to now so far. And see you in the next episode. Goodbye.